Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can find what your processor is on Windows 11. Now, it's pretty straightforward video, so if you enjoy it and it will help you, write down below in the comments that it helped you. When other people will come here, they will know that it's like helpful. So what you need to do is go to bottom, next to the Windows, you're gonna have like search here. Type the search, system information, and click enter on the best match. Here you got it, and you're gonna have the system summary here, and then you're gonna have the processor right here. I got Intel Core i7 CPU 2.8 gigahertz. So this is pretty much it how we do it. If you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And this is how you can simply find what is your processor in Windows 11. Thank you, have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.